Hello loves, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to be making breakfast cookies that are healthy, easy and delicious to make, and anyone can make this recipe. I will also have all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always, so remember to check them out. So to start with this recipe, I'm going to peel some banana. I'm going to use 2 into my mixing bowl. And after that, I'm going to use my fork. You can use a masher. Anything that will help you mash the banana nicely will work, and I'll mash my banana nicely. After mashing the banana, I'm going to be adding some almond butter. In place of the almond butter, you can use any nut butter of your choice. You can use peanut, cashew, or any one that you prefer. To that, I'll also add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. In place of the maple syrup, you can use honey or you can also use agave syrup. I will also add vanilla extract. I will add coconut oil. And I will mix everything nicely together until they have a uniform color. Once I have a uniform color and a good consistency, I'll add my oats to the mixture. And to that, I'll also be adding some pumpkin seed, almond flour, cinnamon powder, salt, baking powder, and I'll also be adding some dry fruits. I'll be adding dry blueberries and dry cranberries. I'll share a link to a video on how I dry my own blueberries in the house. In place of the blueberries, you can use raisins, and raisins will work perfectly as well. I'll mix everything together nicely, and we can start scooping our butter into our sheet to make our cookies. So scooping it, you can use an ice cream scoop, you can use a spoon, or you can use a small measuring cup like I'm using. So after scooping everything, I will dip my hand in water to prevent it from sticking into my hand. And I'm just going to press the scoop butters down to flatten it. That way they are going to cook evenly and fast. So we are going to be cooking this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, and our cookies will be ready. After baking, this is how they look. They smell so good. They taste amazing with all the ingredients, bite of all the nuts and the seeds. They were so good. They were filling, and the good thing is they are healthy. There is no guilt about this, and you eat and be full and have the energy for the day to go. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.